Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got a little Sprocket fidget toy. Figured, okay, I like these little fidget toy things and stuff, so let's see what this one is here. Comes in a little carbon fiber looking case. It's rubbery, so I don't think it's carbon fiber, otherwise it would be solid. Oop. Got a little screwdriver. We have a traditional looking fidget spinner. And then we have the little Sprocket fidget spinner thing. So let's open this up if we can. Get this out of here. Look at that. It's like a bike. Oh, dropped a little screwdriver, but look, it's like a bike chain, and it kind of goes like that. So you can play with it going that way, or just spin it around like that, or that, whichever way. And then it's got these things here spin on it too on the sides. Let me just zoom in here a little bit here so you can see all the stuff. So you can see these little pieces here all spin, and the whole sprocket here spins as well. Sorry, my vacuum is driving away with my light, but you can see here, and then you just spin it like that. How cool is that? That's a really cool thing. And then I guess you have a little screwdriver if you want to tighten things up, if things do get loose over time. So that's pretty cool. So let's see. So then we have that, and then we have the other fidget spinner here. This looks like the old school one here, like that. So it's the old school one. I don't know if there's any way for these to interact. I don't think so necessarily, but I'm sure I'll play with them together and figure out some way to make them interact. But how cool is that? It's a really nice looking thing, and I like the way it's heavy and metal and stuff, so it feels like a real piece of something that you're dealing with here. So really cool. So give me something to play with while my videos are processing and editing and whatnot. And I'm gonna say this is a really nice looking fidget spinner. It really looks cool. It looks professional and nice. Thumbs up.